Hello everybody and welcome to the Fraternity and Sorority Life Deeper Dive into the Member Resources tutorial. Currently we are on the home page of the FSL website. So to get to Members Resources, you're going to just click on this fourth tab. And here you're going to find all your resources. So we're going to click into each one to see and learn more about each tab. So first is the chapter registration information. This is where you're going to find all the packets and forms that you're going to need for packets 1 and 2. It tells you a little bit about each one, and then you can also find the chapter monthly report template, and the standard of excellence link is also linked in here, but it has its own tab as well in the main resource center. The next one is event planning. So this is where you're going to find the forms that you're going to need for event planning. So you're going to answer these questions. If you answer yes to any of these questions, you're going to submit that form. So you can find your SURF form, your SAFE form, and your supplemental SURF form. If you have any questions, if you need to submit a form, it will let you know. If you answer yes to any of these questions, you will have to submit that form. And if you just click right on each one, it will bring you to where you submit them. So you don't have to look too far. And then also at the bottom, it tells you a little bit more about each form, like how many days in advance you need to have them in by, any late fees that come to if you fill them out late. The next tab is virtual chapter management. Here you can find operations, membership engagement, and planning for fall semester. Next one is guides and policies. This is where you'll find all your PDFs for like the FSL policy handbook, the golden rules student handbook. If you have any questions about a policy, you should be looking here and reading through those PDFs. The next tab is the calendar. Here you just click and then you can go to the OFSL semester calendar. Here you will find all the events that are happening, date, time, and location. And then also you have a counseling chapters event calendar. Here you can find what's happening with each chapter, what events they have going on, and you can put your own events on the calendar as well to let the community know what's going on with your chapter. The next tab is Standards of Excellence. So here it tells you a little bit about Standards of Excellence, what you will need to submit, components of the Standards of Excellence chapter submission. It will have updated deadlines, presentation, what goes into that, and then all the content areas. And then also you have PDFs of downloaded resources. And then lastly, you have a tab for additional resources. Here you have some resources for new member resources, any additional PDFs we have, and then you can also find the grade reports here. And that rounds out our membership resources. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in another video.